Hello? Kain lang kayo, kain lang kayo.
Okay, so just enjoy your Jollibee lang absent meal because later on we're about a special guest all the way from Chalidan and we have a special dancer to be presented later on. Who will be our dancer tonight? Okay, we need to check and we need to find out bakit agad GMA po ang mga dancer. Yung mga bagay na to. Since today, we celebrate also birthday party of Gustavo. So we just looking. Okay. So how many letters to complete the name Gustavo? How many letters? How many letters? Okay, so what's the letter? What's the first letter? The second one?